Hey guys, today what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. I'm supposed to have a special guest here, but he is running a little bit late. I don't know when he's going to show up. Oh, here he is now.
Hi.
My special guest, Robert Martinez. Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Here's your piece of paper.
Alright.
So, all we're going to do is take our piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half like this, making sure
Hot
that
dog style, or is it hamburger style?
hot dog, yeah. Make sure it's a nice straight fold. Then we're going to fold it, take one corner, fold it over to the line, the center line. And then take the other corner and match it up with that corner. So it looks like a little house.
I like houses, I live in one.
Me too. And then, now that we have those folds, now we're going to take this again, we're going to fold it a second time, line up that line with the center line, and then crease it like this. Then I'll do the other side, line it up. So it's going to look like that. Now,
Yeah.
we're almost there. So now we're going to fold it all the way in half like that. And make sure these folds are nice and creased. Like that. Then you're going to fold your wings. You're going to just about a ½ inch up. Just fold it. Fold that wing so that it kind of looks like that. Like a nice little fold.
Yeah.
And then match the other wing so that you don't have a crooked airplane. And then unfold the wing so that it looks like this. And there you go. A paper airplane.
Can I fly home with
Let's
this?
see if yeah, I think you can. Can you fit in it? We could probably shrink you down. Alright, here we go. Bye!
Bye.